Fix 1603 fatal error during installation on Windows 10. So if you're trying to install a certain program and if it says fatal error during the installation process, it could be happening due to a couple of reasons. Now, first of all, you want to make sure that it is not a corrupted installation file because sometimes the issue could be with the installation file itself, and you want to only make sure to download the file from trusted sources. The next thing you can try to do is make sure to change the drive where you're installing it. So if the application provides you an option to choose the drive where you want to install it, you can simply go ahead and choose the drive to something else, and that should hopefully help you solve the problem. If not, then what you can still try to do is you can try to restart your computer, check for Windows Update, and you can also simply go to Virus and Threat Protection and try to turn on or turn off Virus and Threat Protection if that is helping you solve the problem. So I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.